Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to assign and manage tasks in Outlook in a simple and practical way. Now, Outlook is widely known for emails and calendar scheduling, but it also has a really helpful feature for managing your daily tasks. Even though the newer versions of Outlook don't fully support assigning tasks to other people like before, you can still use it effectively to organize your own work and stay on top of everything. So let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft Outlook website. If you're not signed in yet, click on the Sign In button. Enter your email and password carefully, then click Next to continue. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your Outlook dashboard. This is your main workspace where everything is organized: emails, calendar, and task-related tools. Now, let's move on to the next step. Look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see an option called My Day. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click it, a sidebar will open on the right side of your screen. This panel is very useful because it shows your daily schedule and any tasks you've created. Now, to create a new task, look for the option that lets you add a task. Click on it, and you'll be able to start entering your details. Think of a task as a personal reminder. It helps you remember what needs to be done without keeping everything in your head. Start by giving your task a clear name. For example, finish report, send email follow-up, or prepare meeting notes. Next, set a due date. This is important because it tells Outlook when to remind you about the task. You can also add extra notes if needed. This is helpful if your task has steps, details, or instructions you don't want to forget. Take your time here and make sure everything is clear and accurate. A well-organized task list makes your workflow much smoother. Once you're done, your task will automatically be saved and added to your My Day panel. You can check it anytime and track your progress throughout the day. And that's it. You've successfully created a task in Outlook and started organizing your work more efficiently. Even though you can't directly assign tasks to others in the newer Outlook version, this personal task feature is still very powerful. It helps you stay focused, reduce stress, and manage your time better. Before we wrap up, here are a couple of quick tips. Always use clear task names so you instantly understand what needs to be done, and try to set realistic due dates so you don't overload your schedule. These small habits can make a big difference in your productivity over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or need help with anything else. Now, let's quickly summarize what we did. First, we signed into Outlook and opened the dashboard. Then we accessed the My Day panel from the top right corner. Next, we added a new task with a clear title. After that, we set a due date and added notes. Finally, we saved the task and used it to stay organized. And that's everything you need to get started.